right, Phil. Take care. All right, who's the QRP station?
Victor Alpha 3 Oscar Sierra Oscar QRP.
All right, I missed some of that. I think it's Victor Alpha 3 Oscar Sierra Oscar, is it?
That is correct. I'm reading you 5-9 into Owen Sound, Ontario, Canada. I'm out camping and I'm in a valley and I didn't think I'd be able to make any contacts. So thank you very much for the contact. We really appreciate it.
All right, I guess that's Carson there. Carson, good evening. My name is Phil, Papa Hotel India Lima, and I'm located here just south of the Kennedy Space Center, Florida, in eastern central Florida, not too awfully far off the ocean, and I count you pretty good. You're about, I'll say you're about 5 by 5. Give me a little rundown of what kind of setup you got there, and how many watts, Carson, go ahead.
Hey Phil, I've really always wanted to make it to your part of the world to see a shuttle launch, but I guess I won't be able to do that anymore. Yeah, I'm just out camping in the rain with a buddy. I've got a 16-meter vertical whip, and my radio's an FT817. You could probably see my setup from a couple weekends ago on QRZ. I took some pictures. I was on a cliff and got some great contacts, Sable Island and some other, I think Oregon, 3,000 kilometers. Yeah, but I'm running 5 watts. I'm just using a small 12-volt battery. QSL?
Wow, very good. It sounds excellent. Fully readable and no problem whatsoever copying you. And that's conditions aren't really that favorable. So that's really is amazing. And I'm wondering a little bit about the. I'm trying to change my cartridge here for my recorders. I was going to record you, but I ran out, so I'm putting a new cartridge in here. But tell me a little bit about the battery. I work, low power out on the beach from time to time, and I usually take a gel cell with me, a pretty big one, heavy, and I'm trying to come up with something else that lasts just as long, but not as heavy. Tell me a little bit about the battery, Carlson. Go ahead.
Yeah, no problem. That was one of the things that I really needed to work on. Like right now today, I'm not using my standard battery. I normally use 3 lithium 18650s in series, and they give me about 11 volts, and they seem to last a long time. Like I said, though, I'm not using that today. I just have an 8 amp hour lead acid battery, which is very heavy, but I expect it to last a very long time. I have used those 18650 lithiums for a number of hours, and they just seem to last and last. Mind you, the lead acid here would probably last me a few days. Mind you, it's 5 times as heavy.
Okay, understood. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try different battery setups, and because I might hope to go on a cruise soon, or either that or we might be planning to go to Cuba. But I don't know if I'm gonna take my radio to Cuba because I probably have to go through a lot of red tape. Matter of fact, they're having a group is going to Cuba. Matter of fact, the leader of the group lives just south of me, and I think it's about 6-7 operators, some Cuban, some American. I think it's next month or something they're going to be operating out of there, but I guess I won't be...
Dude, I'm rag chewing.
Anyway, Carlson, here goes a little sample of what you sound like here. Let's see if I got it here. Yeah, no problem. That was one of the things that I really needed to work on. Like, right now today, I'm not using my standard battery. I normally use 3 lithium...
What's 100 watts going to do for me?
In series. It gives me
I bet he's got a huge antenna.
11 volts, and they seem to last a long time. Like I said, though, I'm not using
That's funny hearing myself. It's not even fading in and out, really. It's pretty constant.
Battery, which is very heavy, but I expect it to last a very long time. I have used those 18650 lithiums for a number of hours.
Yeah.
They just see the last and last. Mind you, the red acid here will probably last me a few days. Mind you, it's 5 times as heavy. All right, Carlson. How did you copy that? Over.
Oh, I copy that. I could hear it perfectly. It's amazing to hear my own voice through your radio. I really appreciate that. I'm also recording this since these are my first contacts really in the last few months. So I just record them all and I look back on them and hope to improve my delivery. But hey, I really appreciate playing that back for me. That's amazing. And yeah, no one's ever done that for me, so I really appreciate it. And honestly, I think my QRP is sounding awesome. What do you think?
Oh yeah, definitely. I've worked quite a few QRP stations, and I have to say, you're right up there with one of the best. So congratulations, and keep up the good work there. It's always nice to, when you're running QRP, to be able to put a good signal out and actually make some contacts. I mean, I always think that QRP actually makes you a better operator. Sometimes you gotta struggle a little bit, because kind of teaches you how to get in, get out. You have to wait sometimes, but that really sharpens your skills. So good job there, Carson. But nice to meet you here this evening. Have a wonderful evening, a safe evening out there, and enjoy your operations there out there while you're camping, Carlson. And I just did a little mistake over here, Carlson. I just hit a wrong key on my keyboard, and I took away a little bit of your call sign before I actually entered it. So I got Victor Alpha 3 Oscar. Give me the rest.
Yeah, no problem, Phil. It's Victor Alpha 3 Oscar Sierra Oscar, and my name is Carson Charlie Alpha Romeo Sierra Oscar November.
Okay. Yeah, I got everything else. Okay, Carson, very good. I got you in Owen Sound, Ontario. Alrighty, have a good one there. Good operations and a safe one out there, Carson. 7-3 from Eastern Central Florida. Victor Alpha 3, Oscar Sugar Oscar QRP. From Kilo Mike 4 Oscar Papa. Take care.
Thanks, Phil. Really appreciate talking to you. See you later. 73.
I got Oscar Sierra Oscar. Try it again.
That's the last part. Let's try it again. Victor Alpha 3. Victor Alpha 3 Oscar Sierra Oscar. Victor Alpha 3 Oscar Sierra Oscar.
Okay, Victor Alpha 3 Oscar Sierra Oscar. Kilo Bravo 9 Whiskey Lima Fox. Been able to copy that a little bit on the weak side, but got you in there. My name is Carl, like Charlie Alpha Romeo Lima. Carl's my name, and I'm down here on the west coast of Florida.
Thanks for picking me out of the noise there, Carl. My name is Carson Charlie Alpha Romeo Sierra Oscar November. I'm reading you 5 and 6 into Ontario, Canada.
Hey, QSL on the 5 and 6. I got you about a 5 and 3. 53 is your report, and I'm down here in Port Richey, Florida, which is north of Tampa by about 35 miles.
Tango Germany 9 America Hotel Mike. Tango Golf 9 Alpha Hotel Mike. Tango Golf 9 Alpha Hotel Mike. QRP.
Victor Alpha 3 Oscar Sierra Oscar QRP.
Victor Alpha 3 QRP, please complete.
Victor Alpha 3 Oscar Sierra Oscar. Victor Alpha 3 Oscar Sierra Oscar.
Victor Alpha 3 Ocean Sierra Ocean QRP is okay?
That is correct, sir. Thank you very much for the contact. You are 5 and 9 into Ontario, Canada. 5 and 9 into Ontario, Canada. You are booming here. How do you copy me?
Okay, my friend from Ontario, Canada. Good evening. Victor America 3 Ocean Sierra Ocean QRP. TG9AHM. Tango Golf 9 Alpha Hotel Mexico. 5x6. 5x6. Real report in Guatemala City, my friend from Ontario. QSL?
Oh, thank you so much. TGAHM. Oh, thank you so much. And what is your name, sir?
The call is Tango George Nye, America Henry Maria. What is your power, please? What is your power?
I am running 5 watts QRP, 5 watts. I have a Yaesu FT817, FT817.
Okay, what is your power? Your power, question?
5 watts, 5 watts.
Okay, Victor America Free Ocean, Sierra Ocean, QRP 5 watts. Okay, my friend, thank you. Your call on my law. Good phone, good DX, 73.
Thank you, amazing DX. Thank you so much, 73s.
Thank you. Thank you, 73, bye-bye. Tango 46 Bravo Charlie. Tango 46 Bravo Charlie, QRP.
Victor Alpha 3, Oscar Sierra Oscar QRP.
Victor Echo 3 Oscar Sierra.
Negative. Victor Alpha 3, Oscar Sierra Oscar.
Victor Alpha 3.
Victor Alpha 3, Oscar Sierra Oscar. Victor Alpha 3, Oscar Sierra Oscar.
Victor America 3, Oscar Sierra Oscar 59.
That is correct. You are 5 and 4 into Ontario, Canada. I am QRP running 5 watts. QSL?
QSL from Ontario, Canada. 59 from K, Bay of Cali from Cuba. Good luck.
Thank you, 73.
Thank you, QSL. Victor